Essential for high refresh rates, 4K per 8K gaming, adaptive sync, and stable high-bandwidth video performance on modern gaming monitors. My today's video is about top 5 best DisplayPort cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ivanki DisplayPort Cable. This Visa-certified DisplayPort 1.4 cable delivers a strong balance of performance, durability, and future-ready compatibility, making it an excellent choice for high-end gaming and professional setups. With support for up to 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 144 Hz, and even 2K at 240 Hz, it fully utilizes modern GPUs and high-refresh monitors without compromising signal quality. The 32.4 gigabits per second HBR3 bandwidth ensures smooth transmission, eliminating screen tearing, flickering, and motion blur, while FreeSync and G-Sync support enhances fluid gameplay, especially in fast-paced FPS and competitive titles. Its braided nylon exterior and 30 AWG tinned copper construction provide impressive flexibility and durability. Rated for 28,000 plus bends, while gold-plated connectors improve stability and corrosion resistance. The latch-free design adds convenience and prevents port damage. Broad compatibility with major monitor brands and DP standards makes it versatile, and Visa certification adds trust in performance consistency. Now our second product is Capture DisplayPort Cable. This Visa-certified DisplayPort 1.4 cable is a high-performance solution designed for gamers and professionals who demand maximum visual clarity and stability. Supporting up to 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 144 Hz, and 2K at 240 Hz, it ensures ultra-smooth visuals with zero frame drops, making fast-paced gaming and high-resolution workloads significantly more responsive. The HBR3 32.4 gigabits per second bandwidth combined with display stream compression, DSC, and FEC error correction guarantees stable, lossless transmission even under heavy graphical loads. Its dynamic HDR enhances contrast and shadow detail, giving players a competitive edge in darker environments while improving immersion in AAA titles. Broad compatibility with leading GPUs like RTX 4090/4080 series and AMD 7900 XT/XTX ensures future-proof usability across top-tier systems and monitors from brands like Asus ROG, Alienware, and LG Ultra Gear. With gold-plated connectors, multi-layer shielding, and plug-and-play support, it delivers durability, signal integrity, and convenience. Our third product is Ugreen DisplayPort Cable. This Ugreen DisplayPort 2.1 cable represents a next-generation upgrade for high-end gaming and professional display setups, delivering exceptional bandwidth and future-ready performance. With support for up to 16K at 30 Hz, 8K at 240 Hz, and ultra-smooth 4K at 240 Hz output, it pushes visual clarity and refresh rates far beyond previous standards. Its 40 gigabits per second UHBR 10 bandwidth ensures stable, lossless transmission, while DSC 1.2 compression maintains image quality without sacrificing performance. Enhanced features like HDR, HDCP 2.2, FEC error correction, and Dolby/eARC support provide richer visuals and immersive audio for a complete multimedia experience. Optimized for gamers, it works seamlessly with FreeSync, G-Sync, VRAR, and ALLM, reducing tearing, lag, and latency in competitive FPS, MOBA, and AAA titles. Built with 28 AWG tin copper, triple shielding, and an aluminum alloy shell, it offers strong durability, heat resistance, and EMI protection. The buckle-free design adds convenience while preventing port damage. Now number 4, Silklan DisplayPort Cable. This Visa-certified Silklan DP80 DisplayPort 2.1 cable is a top-tier solution built for extreme performance, delivering next-generation bandwidth and visual fidelity. With an impressive 80 gigabits per second data rate, it supports uncompressed 4K at 240 Hz, 8K at 60 Hz, and up to 16K resolution with DSC enabled, ensuring ultra-smooth and highly detailed output for both gaming and professional use. Its UHBR20 support, HDR10+, HDCP 2.3, and FEC error correction guarantee stable, high-quality transmission with minimal signal loss. Designed for competitive gamers, it integrates VRR, LLM, and DSC 1.2a technologies to eliminate tearing, lag, and flickering, while MST support enables multi-monitor productivity and immersive setups. The inclusion of 32-bit audio pass-through enhances spatial awareness in FPS and AAA titles. Built with 28 AWG tin copper, triple shielding, gold-plated connectors, and a durable nylon jacket, it ensures long-lasting reliability and strong EMI resistance. Broad compatibility with leading GPUs and monitors makes it a future-proof premium cable for demanding users. And our last choice is Highwing's DisplayPort cable. This high-end DisplayPort cable is engineered for users who demand extreme resolution, stability, and long-term reliability in both gaming and professional environments. Supporting up to 16K at 60 Hz, DSC, 8K at 120 Hz, and 4K at 240 Hz, it delivers exceptional clarity and smooth performance backed by an 80 gigabit per second ultra-high bandwidth, ensuring lossless video and multi-channel audio transmission. Its advanced construction uses 28 AWG tinned copper conductors with triple-layer shielding, significantly reducing EMI interference and maintaining stable signal integrity even under heavy loads. The double nylon braided exterior and 24K gold-plated connectors enhance durability, prevent wear, and minimize connection issues over time. For gamers, features like dynamic HDR, 32-bit audio precision, FreeSync, G-Sync, and Adaptive Sync provide tier-free visuals and immersive sound detail, especially in fast-paced FPS and AAA titles. Compatibility with top GPUs and DP-enabled devices ensures wide usability across modern setups. Backed by lifetime support and a satisfaction guarantee, it stands out as a premium, future-ready cable built for uncompromised performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.